Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Boomboxes in Texas. Now we have something interesting for you today. Now this looks like the normal 50 cal boxes that I do, and it's very similar, but the difference is this box was originally built by somebody else. My customer had ordered this box from someone else, and when he got it, it just had the speakers in the front, didn't have the USB ports or the voltage gauge. He did put an antenna over here for the Bluetooth, which is cool. I normally don't do that. My Bluetooth amps work pretty good, but he did that. But there was a big difference. Number one, this is the battery that was installed inside of there. And you guys have seen the batteries that I installed. They're 3 times this size. And this is the amplifier that he put in there. And I looked this amplifier up online, and this amplifier puts out maybe 10 watts per channel. So this guy was only putting out 10 watts per speaker. The amplifier that I put in here puts out close to 50 watts a speaker. So that's a big difference. So as usual, I upgraded the battery, and I put the knobs for the amp. I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. And he wanted me to go and upgrade the switch. This is a switch the guy installed. That's a decent switch. But I went ahead and updated the switch and upgraded the connector for the thing there. And nothing else. Now, he did do a nice job wrapping the handle, which I thought was cool. And I put in the USB voltage gauge right there. So it did come with good speakers. So I just wanted to show y'all that if you do happen to buy one from somebody else, or you bought one from somebody else before you found me, which was this customer's case, I can upgrade your build. And I've done this several times. And the other thing I did was I lined the inside with Dynomat. It did not have Dynomat on the inside. And what happened was I made one for his uncle, and it came in like I normally build with the big amp. Look at the difference in the amp size there. The heat sink on my amp is bigger than this amp that was installed. And what's cool is he heard his uncle's box, and he couldn't believe the sound difference and the loudness. And the sound deadening makes a big difference. There's the larger battery that I have in there and all the connections and everything. So let's crank this one up and see what it sounds like. I'm going to do the phone here. Here we go. Come on now. Let's crank this thing up.
Warm winds blowing, heat and blue sky, and a road that goes forever. Thinking about it lately, been watching some TV, been looking all around me, and what has come to be. Been talking to my neighbor, and he agrees with me. It's all gone crazy. Well, my wife returns from taking my little girl to school. She got beads of perspiration as she tries to keep her cool. She says that mess, it don't get no better. There's gonna come a day someone's gonna get killed out there. And I turn to her and say, Texas. She says, what? I said, Texas. She says, what? They got big long roads out there. Warm winds blowing, heat and blue sky, and a road that get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Well, I got a little brother, several meters high. Yeah, he's built just like a quarterback, and he swears he'll testify. He says he's been to Texas, and that's the only place to be. If stakes big guns, no trouble, yeah, that's the place for me. I'm going to Texas. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm going to Texas. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm going to Texas. Watch me walking. Watch me walking. Watch me walking. Yeah, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. The rebuild box that I did, and I just improved upon it. It's a good box, had good speakers. We just need to upgrade the amp and the battery, add the Dynomat, voltage gauge, make it a lot more usable and user friendly. He said he really loves the fact that he can adjust the bass and the treble here on the amplifier, and instead of doing it on his phone through an app. So he's very happy about that. So I'm about to box this one up and ship it off. So please hit that like button if you like what you see, and please hit that subscribe button for more videos. Believe me, I got a lot of projects coming up right now. I'll go ahead and show you guys. You see right here, there's one that's going to be a Thunderbird build. And then I got this one down here. It's gunmetal gray and black. And then I got another one I'm about to start on. And I'm also going to redo my keg build. So that's what we got going on right now. So thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.